In the try this number 2, in letter A, labeling your variables, you should have some variable. I chose T. Again, you could choose any letter you want, equal to the number of pounds of thistle seed. And then I chose D. Once again, you can choose anything that you want, any letter you want, equal to the number of pounds of dark oil sunflower seed. Then for part B, the equation, you should have 2t, or whatever variable you chose, plus 4d, again, whatever variable you chose, equal to 200. Then if we go to graph this, I chose this to be my t-axis and this to be d. When I solved for my t-intercept, again, my t-intercept is when d is equal to 0. So the t-intercept was t is equal to 100. And my d-intercept was d equal to 50. So on my axes, I could not go up by 1, so instead I chose to go up by 10. So I went 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So there is my d-intercept. And going up vertically, I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, which makes 100 right here at the top. And then draw a nice straight line. Then if I move up to part D and solve that, how many pounds of thistle seed can you buy? You should have got 96 pounds of thistle seed. And lastly, what does the intercept on the vertical axis represent? Remember, my answer and your answer could be slightly different depending on how you labeled your axes. If you labeled your axes the same as mine, you'd have this point that you were looking at. So you would say you can buy 100 pounds of thistle seeds if you buy 0 pounds of dark oil sunflower seeds. If you have questions on any part of this, let me know.